So in our dashboard, this is what we have. This is what we see after the installation. Don't worry about what you are seeing right there. Everything is going to be fixed. So I want to tell you now that in this section, we're going to be discussing about how to build an e-commerce platform. And right there, best way to go about it is to get a themes that is very, very compatible with what you're trying to build. For example, let's go to appearance. Let's go to themes. And let's click on add new theme. So let's go to let's say e-commerce. Let's search for e-commerce. So this is the default WordPress homepage for themes download. Now in this section, you can search for any themes. You see 5,105 themes available. You can search for any themes you want. You can use these themes. You can use these themes. And in some cases, the problem with this section is that some of these themes are premium themes. You won't be able to use them on let's say you won't be able to use them on free version. So let's try and see this e-commerce starter. Let's see what we have. This theme has not been rated yet. You see immediately this is what we're going to be having instead of what we should be having right here, right? So now I just like let's see, they said this theme is not rated yet. Let's look at another one. So let's try and select themes from here. This theme has not rated yet. Okay, so let me just go with these themes. So I will install this theme. So after installing this theme, this is I will activate it. So after I activate it, you see this images that I'm seeing, that's what I'm supposed to be seeing in my website right now, that now I have activated the themes. I should be seeing something like that, stuff like cool stuff like this. That is what I should be saying. But right now, I'm not seeing that. What I'm seeing is kind of very, 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 very different. So let's go to themes. Okay, let's see install plugins. And then okay, good. I think we have a demo installer. Cool. That means these themes we can install the demo import for this theme. So let's select all plugin. Let's activate all plugin. Okay, sorry, let's install first. We need to install. So let's install all these 7 plugin one after the other to be installing by itself automatically. So 3, 4, e-commerce, quick view, and others like that. Okay, so now that this is installing, we go back to installer required, and then we install. Then we are going to activate all the plugin anyways. So select all this plugin, click on activate all the plugin. All right, so return to the dashboard. That's what they are telling us. So let's click on return to the dashboard. Demo import. So now remember the demo that we imported the other time that we talk about, demo import. Now let's get started importing. So that's the function of that demo import. So anything you are trying to do that does not have that demo import, it's going to be very hard for you to use. Understand? And it's going to be very, very hard. You see, we have premium here. So if you want to use this, you will use premium. If you want to use this, it's free. This is premium. This is premium. So you can preview how the premium look like. So let's see the premium one. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so if we install the premium, this is what we're going to be having if we want to have this kind of shop. You understand? So if we are not going to be using this, let's look at another premium. Let's see how it looks. So this is another premium. I think this is looking more cooler than the previous one. And then, but if this is not what we are looking for, you see this one, we have to buy it. We have to buy it from WordPress because it's premium. We can't use it. We need to buy it before we can use this. So, but they give us free demo right here. They give us free demo. They give us free demo. Let's view the two. Let's see the one that we can use. Okay, so they give us this demo. Okay, they give us something cool too. All right. So I think I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So for this, I will do this. So I will just go to the demo import. I will import all of this. Yes, import, because I think I like this. It's time to insert some demo content for your, this content can be mine. So let's wait for the demo import to finish. It means our website is ready. So let's visit our website and see what we have. Now that should be FX Surface Trade, and it should be giving us this cool design on our platform. Cool, 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 cool. All the demo import is successfully uploaded. All the images are coming. Everything is looking nice. Oh, that's great. Okay, now we have a very cool website, right? So this is interesting, right? So we have a very cool stuff here. So now the next thing we need to do is to start editing each of these sections to be our own. How do we do that? We can do it in multiple different ways. One is we can go to customize to remove the brand logo. Can use customize to select the color if our color is different. If we don't like this kind of colors, we can go to customize and customize it. We don't like all this red, we can remove them and change it to the color. Maybe we like blue or some other stuff like that. Got it. So let's see what we have right here. So everything is loaded, but then we have issues with our this is our slider. All right, the slider is not moving. Okay, so let's take a look at how we can customize this. So let's click on customize. We're going to customize this website. So we're going to be using a default default logo, right? So you see this is saying upgrade to pro version. So this is saying upgrade to pro version. So which means this, before you can use the complete features of this theme, you need to upgrade this thing to pro version. I mean, you need to buy the theme, right? You need to buy the thing. So that's one issue about all these blah 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 templates. So you need to buy them before you can actually use. But if you like this design, if you like it this way, you can leave it and you don't need to buy the premium version of these themes again. So let's go to theme option. Let's go to footer, contact. Okay, so our phone title, we can input our phone number. Let's say default 0000866. So email address, say demo@design.com. Then you, rest of the title, publish this. You can open another new tab, check out our website now. So can go back to this, go back, top bar. What do you have at our top bar? So remember when I said you can change your colors, you can change your colors from this to black, from black to another thing. Okay, so let's look at other things that we can do. Let me quickly edit some other parts. Header settings. You see, so header settings, we have a yellow background color. If you want to remove your yellow background color, you can remove the yellow background color right here. So let's select. So let's leave this. Let's leave this. Let's go back to header settings. Let's say ecommerce bar, commerce bar, transparent bar, and different aspect like that. So let's see the effect of transparent header. Okay, let's just go with a default header. Okay, so let's go back to our post settings, hide author. If you want to hide your author, you can select hide author here. Let's go back to breadcrumb settings. Let's go back to layout. Let's see what we have. Cool. We don't need to do any changes right there. Font. I like the font, the one that we have. I will leave it that way. Scroll. Enable sticky menu. Pop up add to cart. So when they click on add to cart, if you click on it, if you add any product to cart, it will pop up, right? So let's leave that. So email subscription short code. Okay, that's the plugin for it. Okay, let's just go back to this site identity, brand store. We can change it to our store. So these are the things we need to change. So brand store has changed to our store. Understand? Or you can change it to the name of your store, e-commerce store, right? So this e-commerce store, you can change your tagline to shop online with us. Shop online with us today, right? So now you have it here. And then logo, if you want the logo to be, if you want to display this tagline, you can select this. If you want to remove it, you can leave it. Either way, it's cool, right? So site icon is this. You see this cPanel, this CP that is there. That is what is called site icon. So if you want your logo to be at this side, you can select icon, upload your icon, select your file media files. So you can just let's pick this as our icon, right? Just for testing, and let's wait for it to upload, or rather 30-back guarantee. Just click on select to tell you to crop it. You understand? To tell you to crop it. Let's say FX surface trade. Crop it, right? Then skip cropping and leave it right there. So we have this. You see now, so now this logo is going to be showing right here. So let's see if I publish this new design. I publish this new design. Now let's go back to our brand store. I click on refresh. All right, so e-commerce store changes that we made, and then the tagline is now coming, as you can see, and the tagline is coming out right here too. So that is how you can put your logo there. Now if you have a logo, let's select the logo. I think I have a logo right here. We can use, click on this logo, and then after it's completed, you can have your own logo and do the same as well. So I will just click on select the logo. It might ask me to crop. So if I want to crop the logo, I can crop it. If I just want to skip the logo, I can just skip the logo. And then if it is the logo that will now be here right now. So let's wait for the logo to come in. So you see now the logo is coming. So if you have the logo, the site is not cool like this, all you gotta do is select this and let that one be gone from it. So if I click on publish now and I click on refresh here, instead of this, I'll be seeing the logo, right? So now let's go to the customize logo limit. We can increase the height of the logo. We can increase the size of it. It's kind of very small. Let's see how it looks now. Logo maximum width. So let's say we have 200. Let's see what we have. So to increase the width of the logo, you see, I think this is cool. Or I can just say 250. So I can say 250. Can you guys realize this did not delete, right? It was supposed to be deleted, but it's not deleted. If I refresh this logo should be bold, right? And this thing is still coming back, and I don't want that thing to come back, right? So all I will do is just clear this. Since I already have the logo, clear this as well. And after clearing that, publish it. So I think this should work. Let's go back to this store and refresh. All right, so now this is gone.